So one of my favorite things to do when I was teaching was I love to have music playing when the kids walked into the classroom. So today we're going to take a look at how we can use the new Present a Chrome tab feature in Google Meet and Google Slides to accomplish the same thing virtually. So you see I have two windows open. On this side, I have my teacher account, and on this side, I have my student account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a slideshow that I created. You can see here in my slides, I put a nice little do now. Hey, when you enter the room, go ahead and say hi in the chat. And I'm going to go up to insert up here and go down to video. This is going to open up the insert video option of slides. You can see here it has a built-in YouTube search. So I'm going to go ahead and search for a song. I would recommend definitely checking the video, on YouTube, even if something's titled "Warning" by Green Day, doesn't necessarily mean it is. So definitely check these before you just insert them and start playing them live with your kids. But I'm going to go ahead and click the video and hit select, and that's going to embed the video on my slide. Now it's kind of big, so I'm going to drag, make it kind of small, get it out of the way, drag it to the corner out of the way. It just needs to be somewhere where I can click on it. It doesn't have to be very big. Okay, next I'm going to hit present, and I'm going to click presenter view. That's going to open up this little presenter view guy that we can minimize. And then in my tab, it's going to go ahead and open up my presentation with my video down here ready to hit play. So now that I have my slides ready, I'm going to go to Meet. I'm going to go down to Present Now. I'm going to choose Chrome tab. It's going to list my available Chrome tabs. I go ahead and click on my presentation, hit Share. Now on my student side, you'll see that it's shared. When I'm ready to start playing the music, just go ahead and hit play. And in my students' Meet, they will hear the music playing. I have my microphone muted, so they won't be able to hear me. But if I was to unmute my microphone, they would hear me plus the music. So a little bit of a hack, kind of a way to kind of liven up your meets, especially when students first enter. You can have a little bit of a waiting room going on. If you have any questions or need any help, definitely send a message in YPix-help desk in Slack. Thank you.